What's up, you certified beauties? Nick here from Nick's Taxes, back with another video. Today is Tuesday, and now you can apply for CRB number 10. Today's video, we're just going to talk about Canada Recovery Benefit and some changes that have been happening since the last video I made when the last CRB was released. In terms of eligibility, nothing has changed. The only thing that really changed for this eligibility period is that normally applications are open on Monday, but Monday was obviously family day, things were closed. So now you can apply on Tuesday. That's why this video is coming out on Tuesday. You can start filing your taxes as of February 22nd. That is a Monday. So if you have all of your tax slips, you can begin filing on Monday if you so choose via NetFile. However, RSP contributions are available until the 1st of March. So if you are making RSP contributions, you have, till March 1st to file. So you might want to wait if you're still contributing to your RSP and claiming those on your 2020 taxes. We also talked about the Canada Disability Tax Credit in a previous video. I'm connected with a company called Grants International, and they work with you to make sure that you qualify for this tax credit. You have to get approval from the CRA and from your doctor, basically, to qualify for this credit. This isn't a credit that I can just apply for and put on your tax return. You have to get pre-approval for this, and you can potentially save thousands of dollars if you qualify. And so if you have a mobility issue or a vision issue or something that takes you an inordinate amount of time to finish basic tasks compared to other people your age, you might qualify for the disability tax credit. I'll have a link in my comments section there that you can click on, fill out the information. It's totally free to see if you qualify and work with someone from Grants International there. I'll also link the video in the description as well if you want to check that out and learn a little bit more information on that. We've also learned about the CRB clawback. If you've earned more than $38,000 in 2020, that's net income. You will have to pay back most likely part of your Canada Recovery benefits that you've received in 2020. And the CRA has released more information on what that will look like as well. Again, if you want more information on that, go check out my video on the CRB clawback. Make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and give this video a thumbs up for up-to-the-date information on what's going on with the CRA and taxes. I'm making videos on different tax softwares, reviews, and how to file your taxes, how to file the CRB, SERB, and all those other recovery benefits on your tax return. So stay tuned for that. We have discussed that the CRA has sent out the T4A slips or the T4E slips. If you applied through Service Canada, you're going to receive a T4E. If you've applied through the Canada Revenue Agency, you're going to receive a T4A. Does it matter? No, doesn't matter for you. It just affects how you enter it into the tax software. If you're doing your own taxes, you're going to, put it in the T4A section if you have a T4E, or the T4E section if you have a T4E. Did I say that right? I don't know, whatever. So yeah, not any change for you. It's just a matter of what form that they decide to put that on, but the benefits and the taxes won't be changed depending on what slip you get. On that slip, it'll tell you how much money you've received in benefit income and how much tax has been withheld from those benefit incomes if applicable. If you recall the SERB, there wasn't any tax withheld, but CRB, we're looking at a 10% tax withholding. So there will be some information there, some numbers there if you've been receiving the SERB. In other news, we've talked about the SERB, the $5,000 income threshold for self-employed. That SERB debt has been eliminated. It's been forgiven. So if you applied for the SERB thinking it was $5,000 gross income and it turned out to be net, well, now they've changed it back and saying, well, if you applied thinking it was $5,000 gross, you can hold on to that SERB income. You won't have to repay it, which I think is a good play on Canada's side. The only thing that sucks is if you, in good faith, knowing that the CRA was all discombobulated, held off on applying because you weren't sure, you got the short end of the stick because you can't apply for SERB anymore. So if you waited because you weren't sure on the eligibility and you didn't want to be punished, well, now it turns out that you kind of are getting punished anyway because you're missing out on that $2,000. So a couple of people commented that, and I thought that was a very good point. You know, our government's not perfect, and this is a clear example of that. Also, starting February 22nd, that's when you can file your taxes. That's also when the CRA are going to bring in more reinforcements on the phone lines. So hopefully, you know, they're expecting a lot more volume in terms of calls. I'm sure a lot of you have experienced brutal wait times with the CRA. Hopefully they get better. They're going to be, you know, bringing in more people to help with that, and also having some other people kind of not connected to the CRA but contracted out that can help with phone calls and deal with general inquiries. So we'll see, but that's something as well to look forward to. The other thing I got a lot of questions about was if there's any plans on extending the CRB. So we're on CRB number 10. So if you've been applying for each CRB, you are soon going to exhaust this benefit. Now, a lot of places are still in, you know, lockdowns or in red zones or orange zones, which is really impacting the economy and the workforce and if you're able to work or not. So as of right now, no talks. I haven't heard anything about them extending the amount of CRB applications that you can apply for. It's still the same level. So as far as we know, as soon as you use up all of your CRB periods, you won't be able to apply for the CRB any longer, but who knows what will happen in the upcoming weeks. I didn't think they were going to forgive the SERB payments, and they ended up doing that. I don't think they're going to extend the CRB, so maybe I'll be wrong a second time. We'll see. We'll stay tuned. Obviously, as more information comes out, I will keep you guys updated as to what's going on. So again, more incentive for you guys to subscribe to the channel. All right. Thanks so much for watching. Again, I'm Nick from Nick's Taxes. Have yourself a great day, and as always, happy taxing.